Alright, transfer case can change with some Dexron 6 AC Delco. These were $4 and some 85 cents at the dealership, so $10 for the fluid. And we're using the $11 pump from AutoZone with adjustable straws and adjustable orifices for different size bottles. Alright, transfer case. That's the front of the vehicle. This is the rear. So the plugs are on the back side of the transfer case. 18 millimeters. Let's see. Always start with your fill plug, because if you do this one first and you can't get this one out, you'd be fucked. Wow, that came out easily. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Alright, sweet. And that's an 18 millimeter. It goes already said, get out of here. Oh, drain pan. Oh. Yummy. No metal shavings on this one. Now there might be a bunch on that, so wish me luck.
Pretty level.
It shouldn't be coming.
Not on it all the, okay. Not on it all the way.
Surprised these ones are coming out easily. They must have torqued them right. Ooh, that was chunky. Ugh. Look at all that shit on there. It's like the video I watched on that Sunday Drive guy. Glad I'm doing that.
Do you even ever use four-wheel drive in this fucking thing?
Pulling in the driveway. Or pulling up in here. That, and then the one time it snows. Alright, so this is the drain plug. A lot of metal shaving debris on there. Let's see here how far it goes. Oh, not that bad, just there is a tip, so. That kind of looks cool, honestly. Oh, yeah. Probably take a little bit of brake clean to it and then put it back in. Alright, peace out. Alright, it's all about dripped out of there, so put the drain plug back in. Put a little bit of thread sealant, like liquid thread sealant shit on there. Don't really think that's necessary, but it looks like that's what was on there before. So, gotta put that back on.
24 something. 24, not very tight, like almost like spark plug tight. Yeah, that's fine. It looks like it's the same amount in this. It looks like it's in the, not where it was. Looks like it. Here, you feel it. Oh yeah, that's not very tight. I'm scared. After I broke all those wheel studs. They say like 24 foot-pounds or whatever, but I don't know what that is yet by hand. Don't break it. Oh, right there. See what you think of that?
You mean to hold that?
Yeah, hold that in there. Okay. Alright, second quart going in. Is it all the way in there?
Yeah. Bud.
Now, yeah, just watch your hand, because it will be coming out here any minute. I'm going to get the drain plug handy. Handy. Just don't let it... Here, you pump and I'll hold the hose. Alright. How much does it feel like's in there? Alright, it's starting to come out.
About half a quart.
Alright, do like 3 more pumps. Okay. Alright, I think that's good. Go ahead and... Alright, drain plugs in, we'll tighten her down. Alright.
That's it.
Alright. Thanks for watching. That was the transfer case.